15 things to never put in the microwave. 1. Paper bags. Paper bags can release toxins that can potentially catch fire. 2. Takeout containers. If the container has any metal, don't put it in the microwave. Metal can easily catch fire in the microwave and cause serious damage. 3. Yogurt and butter containers. Plastic containers like yogurt cups and butter containers are meant for one-time use. They aren't made to withstand the high temperatures and heat of a microwave, and if heated they can melt and potentially release chemicals into the food. 4. Eggs. If you want to make hard-boiled eggs, boil them in a pot on the stove. Putting eggs in the microwave will likely just leave you with a huge mess after the high temperatures cause them to explode. 5. Styrofoam. This is one of those things people like to test, thinking, if I just put it in for a few seconds, it'll be fine. Nope, don't do it. Styrofoam cups, bowls, takeout containers, whatever the type, don't put it in the microwave. Styrofoam is a type of plastic which doesn't mix well with microwave temperatures. 6. Grapes. They will explode and could catch on fire. 7. Cookware with metal trim. You may have plates or bowls with a pretty metal trim, and when it comes to whether you should put them in the microwave, remember the word metal. That's a red flag for do not put in microwave. 8. Sauce or dip without a cover. Talk about a mess. Putting any type of sauce or dip in the microwave without a cover, even just a paper towel, will just end up leaving a huge mess. 9. Plastic storage containers. Again, the key word being plastic, meaning, do not put in the microwave. Certain Tupperware type plastic containers will have a label if they are microwave safe. If you don't see that label, check the manufacturer's website, or to be on the safe side, just don't microwave it. 10. Hot peppers. First, they can catch fire. Second, when you open the microwave, the heat can cause the peppers to release chemicals that can burn your eyes, which sounds great to absolutely no one. 11. Stainless steel travel mugs/bottles. Many people microwave travel mugs, not realizing they're made of stainless steel, which does not belong in the microwave. The stainless steel will not only block the heat from warming whatever's in your mug, but nuking it can also damage your microwave. If the mug is plastic, check the bottom for a label to see if it's marked as microwave safe. 12. Frozen meat. Frozen meat is tricky to microwave, because depending on how thick it is, it's difficult to make sure the inside is fully cooked. Plus, if the heat isn't evenly distributed, bacteria can grow and spread on the food. So if you need to defrost meat that was in the freezer, just leave it in the fridge overnight. 13. Aluminum foil. It's metal. So if your leftovers, or anything else you want to heat up in the microwave, has aluminum foil over it, take the foil off before putting it in. The aluminum foil can catch fire. 14. Nothing. When there's nothing in the microwave to absorb the microwave can actually catch fire, and at the very least, turning it on with nothing in there can damage the microwave. 15. Be careful with microwave safe labels. If something has a microwave safe label, that often means you can microwave it without damaging the product or your microwave. That doesn't mean the product can't get extremely hot and become unsafe for you to touch after it's been in the microwave. If you aren't sure about how a certain bowl or other container will work in the microwave, heat the liquid or food in something else and then transfer it to that container.
If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.